Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I would love to share with you my process of coloring this particular sketch. So this line drawing I did with Copic Multiliner, and now I'm going to use a couple of black markers. So first I'll begin with my black Stylefile marker, and as you can see it's almost dry, but I love when my markers are a little bit dry. It helps to create a beautiful texture, something like fur or textile. So for example, this cover on the floor, it's a fur, and you can see how great it works here now. But for the chairs I will switch to my Copic Wide Black marker. I will also do some shadows under the tabletops, so you can see that if it would be a really black marker, it would look a little bit like too bold for these tables. So now I'm switching to my favorite Copic White and Black. This marker is actually perfect for calligraphy or for lettering, since it has this beautiful nib. But I love to use it in interior design drawing, especially for framing. But in this sketch it's also great to use it for this nice bold furniture design. It's also important to remember that in your drawing there should be 3 different tones in your interior design drawing, because very often beginners and newbies in sketching, they draw everything in different colors but in almost the same tone. Please remember that in your drawing there should be something that is really very light in color, then a medium tone, and the darkest tone in scene. So here obviously the darkest tone are the chairs, medium is this carpet, and the light tone is this white color of the paper itself. Now I want to emphasize this wall, and I want to draw these beautiful stripes. Look how instantly they create this effect of slightly taller ceilings, and I really love this graphic look that stripes give to a place, to the interior. As you can see, I don't use here any rulers now, and I would recommend you to get rid of rulers while drawing, because it can make your sketch look a little bit too technical, and all the lines are like perfectly straight. Sketching, like quick sketching, it really loves this freehand rendering, freehand. By the way, I have here on this YouTube channel another video where I share with you my top 10 exercises to train your hand, so you might want to check it out. So actually my sketch is almost done. It's time for the final stage, which is detailing. So with the same black Copic Wide marker, I will add a couple of strokes here and there. Just notice that I rotate this marker in my hand, and I use the thinnest part of its nib in order to achieve this really thin lines for details. Alright, so please guys, let me know in the comments below, why are you interested in interior design drawing? Are you an interior designer or an architect, maybe an interior design student? I'm really excited to know more about you, about my audience on this YouTube channel. So please share your thoughts and ideas in the comments below, and here is my sketch. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and check out other videos and tutorials on this YouTube. And yes, bye for now. Bye guys.